Yeah, you've saved us a lot. Thank you very much. And
In this video, you are going to see exact feedback from one of my clients who paid for a consulting call in order for me to help him orchestrate how he is going to build out everything that he wants for his multiple businesses. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I run 11 AI agents across 3 different businesses, 2 of which are 7-figure companies. I have logged well over 1,000 hours in OpenClaw and Hermes combined at this point, and I am really on a mission to just continuously help people adopt this tech, and mainly business owners who are wanting to utilize it within their business and to give them their time back. So I've scaled my agency to multiple 5 figures, and I've done so without hiring a single human employee. And if you guys are interested in learning about how you can go ahead and book a call with me, whether it's to set up a Hermes agent or an OpenClaw agent, or you want help with some orchestration on workflows, building the workflows done with you or done for you, or you just want some guidance, kind of like what my guy Albert did here. He just went ahead and paid for a consulting call. If that's you, when you just want me to give you some guidance and perspective on how you can do things much more effectively and efficiently to save you a lot of time, then go ahead, click the link down below. It is going to be the first link in the description. Nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Thank you, Albert, for allowing me to use this footage. I really appreciate it a lot, and it's been an absolute pleasure working with you. And I'm just very, very grateful and appreciative you put your trust and your trust and faith into me. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy. And I hope this helps somebody out as well, just seeing the perspective and seeing the feedback of what it's like to work with me if you are interested or you've been on the fence to do so. So with that being said, let's roll right into the video.
So just a couple questions. I mean, and mainly the overall experience on the consulting call. Like, how was your experience? Did you actually get what you wanted? Is the main thing, and did it save you time?
100%. Yeah, no, I've kind of been saving up a lot. So actually getting, these 9 or so issues, not just questions, kind of resolved is really helpful. So absolutely, 100%, 1,000%.
And would you, out of curiosity, based on your experience and your use case for the call, if other folks have instances where they're either needing help troubleshooting, or in your case, you're like, hey, I want to make sure I'm orchestrating this correctly, and I kind of want to just kind of I want to make sure that I iterate as little as possible just based on the experience that I have. Would you recommend this to other folks that are, like they have a business or they have workflows that they're potentially needing help with and are kind of on the fence of that?
Yeah, well, I think, just to try to capture the question before I answer it a little bit, but I think a lot of us, Andrew, that you're talking to are probably leading the charge on jumping in with business and agent workflows. And so we just plow through. And what you've done here is essentially, I could have probably gotten to the answers of a lot of what I've asked, but it would have taken me a lot longer to actually short form it. So asking you versus just AI was essentially directionally helpful. And I think a lot of what we need here is vector, not just answers. And so you helped with vector. Does that answer what you're saying?
Yeah, it definitely does. And and to kind of piggyback off that for the final question here, it's more of just, you said like having me just be able to give you this rather than having to go through AI. How much time and money would you say you probably saved from just all the stuff that we just discussed in here?
God, it's hard to say, man. I mean, those API tokens add up quick, and not just API tokens, but dollar cost per day, per minute for a guy like me who, if I'm not thinking about this, I'm able to think about other ventures that actually will. So there's a thing in real estate called opportunity cost. So you've saved me a lot of money in opportunity costs, not just actual API tokens. So the answer is not hundreds, it's thousands.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Man, I enjoy the conversation always. So I appreciate it a lot. And thank you. Thank you, obviously. And I
keep
hope
doing what you're doing. It's helping. Like, if it's helping me this much, it's got to be helping every one of your viewers. So just keep it up, man.